NatureFit welcomes you on board. We are happy to inform you that our mobile app and website, first ever for Ayush and natural therapies, is live now with all features. This is a tutorial to guide you how to make best use of being on this platform. We want you to get maximum patients and clients as also increase your digital presence. We need your support for the same and request you to follow some basic rules and guidelines. Our CEO, Avneet Bhatia, an alumnus of IIT Bombay who believes in holistic healing and natural lifestyle, personally welcomes you on board this journey. Her goal is to make Ayush and Indian system of medicine the first choice for preventive and curative health. Now, please watch how to run the app and the web. Doctor Tutorial. Welcome to the Doctor Practitioner's web login. This is how we log into the web. It's doctor.naturefit.in. This is how you see your profile page, where you can actually edit the details and create your own profile. These are personal details, practice details. You can upload video and images. You can add your services. You can add the timing. And you can also add article and make your profile heavy content rich. This is the first thing that the patients who log onto the NatureFit patient site will be viewing. This is how you can change the timing. You can select the dates. You can add the unavailable dates. So it's very easy and user-friendly to change it. This is how you can add articles with very important keywords which are being searched by the users. This is how your website looks like. This is what the users will be seeing. Your clinic details, your number can be seen, or even you can add your email ID, website. Yes, this is how it will look like. And we advise you to add as much content as you can to make it look very good. So, this is how an appointment gets created. Someone has booked an appointment. This is how you can view the appointment. This is the data that patient has shared. So this is all the information that patient was asked to share. This is the case record. This is homeopathic consultations. So this is all the information. It's very easy for the patient to actually fill the data, but it saves a lot of time. This is the observation part where you can actually add or your different analysis about the patient post-consultation or during consultation. Now, this is the prescription part, which is very important. This is how you can actually give the medicine name, the dosage, what it has to be eaten with, the timing for the medicine to be taken, the start date and the number of days the medicine needs to be taken. You could add as many medicine as you want and you could assign the prescription and your patient. This is how the prescription seen by the patient. So the next 3 days, the patient will get a reminder at 9 a.m. and 9 p.m. to eat the medicine. You could also comply with that. This is the tracker information about your patient. So if your patient is actually filling in his data about his exercise, meal, so as a doctor you can actually see what he's been filling. This is how you can click at each of your tracker and get into the details of each of the parameters. When you're actually consulting a patient and you tell him that I can analyze or I can see what you are doing in terms of these parameters, the patient will be more regular in following and this prescription as well. So that makes the entire engagement very effective and the treatment also is more effective. This is all about what you can see. Thank you. Few very important points. Ensure your profile is updated and attractive for patients. We can help you make it look better. Please share your degree certificate or upload it on priority. And if any information is incomplete, we will unwillingly have to deactivate the profile due to compliance issue. Start sharing the link of your profile, naturefit.in/ for getting patients to see you and book consultation. Check the phone number which is visible on your profile and if need be, change it. We help increase your digital presence and get more patients. Share a 3 to 5 minute video introducing yourself and a small content topic for the users. We will be doing aggressive digital marketing, and the practitioners whose content is best, we will push it across platforms, and thus you can get more patients and users to know you. You need to send us your video on social@naturefit.in. This effort of yours will be definitely beneficial for you, as on our platform only some content will be displayed. So, first come, first served. We are there for you to ensure you're able to use this platform to the most. You can reach us on business@naturefit.in for any queries or concerns. Sell your medicines and products, or tell us which products you prescribe so we can try to onboard them. Share as much with your patients and friends. The app is now live, and any booking or consultation you get as message is real. You can go to appointments and click on your appointment. You will see the patient's number or audio or video icon for you to connect with patient. At time of appointment, please initiate audio or video from your end. Patient will be waiting for you. For any queries, contact us. Connect@naturefit.in. Thank you.